Hello, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Visual Studios 2019. As you guys can see, I already have it installed, but I'm going to go through the steps so you guys can see how I did it. So when I first opened, what I did first was to turn off my firewall protector. I turned off my antivirus software or internet security software. I also when for those who have already Visual Studios installer, I went ahead and updated it. I also updated Visual Studios 2017 because I only had that one. I also updated Windows. I did all the updates I need to do. After that, I went. You can either go to available, and you'll see the available with Visual Studios 2019, both the enterprise, professional, and also the community. In this case, is you don't see on my computer because I already have installed it. Also, in the right hand side, in the news list right here, you'll see the Visual Studio 2019 now available download. That's where I personally went straight forward to. So I click there, and I got this going on over here, information from John, and then over in the bottom right here it says download Visual Studio 2019. I click there, and here's where the download are. Now, excuse me, you can also just type in visualstudios.microsoft.com, and it will also get you there. See, from here, and then here you will click, for community, we'll click there, community 2019. You'll get this page saying thank you for the downloading. As you guys can see, it's already downloading. All right. After that, uh, I went ahead to I clicked there. Sorry. After finish downloading, I click it, so it can start the installation. Now, be sure you are signed in as the administrator, as one of the administrators. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. Once I click to open the program, it started right on the bottom of my Visual Studio 2017. It appear my downloading bar. So it's just downloading, installing, downloading. Depends on your computer. Depends, what's going on. It's it might take a little while. Now, also, this thing, give it some time here. This thing popped up. So you go and you select whichever you prefer. Myself, I'm C++, and you select this one or whichever, and then you hit here. In my case, it says close, but if you didn't have it, for example, if I click here, it will have says install or modify. Okay, let me take that one out. All right, and once that hit, it's gonna start installing. Okay, so a little recap. I went to the website. I went to the website. I went here. It just pop up. You can free download, and this page comes out. I will download it. Okay. Then you're gonna see. Then you open it, and it's gonna do some installing. Then after that, this pops out, and you choose which one you prefer. Okay, and they will download those particular files that you need. So if you like let's see what you have here. For those who are into the gaming, here's the gaming softwares. For Android, phones, for those who use the Unreal or Unity, okay? And depends because those are big, depends how many files you do, it might take longer than others, okay? And then after that, after finish doing the download, it just opens up the program. And once you launch, so I'm gonna launch here, and this what happens. This shows. I'm sorry. This what appears. As you can see, compared to the 2017, the 2019 gives you a new look. As soon as you open, it gives you the recent projects you already have done. Gives you the option to either do a cron or a checkout code. 2, open a project solution. 3, open a local folder. Or 4, create a new project. And for those who continue without code, you can also click here. And just continues, just opens with a blank page. Okay, close this. Now, just let's see what happens. So for those who don't have 2017, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up from here because I still have it and see how long it takes and also what's new. So it does take a little bit longer to 2017 compared to 2019. And for those who record, the starting page looks like this. A little different, huh? Well, big different actually. All right, we close this and go back here. And let's do a little sample testing here. See, open the local folder. Okay, let's do a project. Okay. Let me see. I have my projects here. C++. Okay. Let's see. Let me open the events and odds. See if that one works. To be honest, I already tried this one to be sure it works. So it won't mess up and so when I show it to you guys it will work. When I hit open on this one in the beginning, it gave me a little information window saying that this project was got developed by earlier version of Visual Studio, which is correct. Got early version from the 2017, and yeah, it said that this one's gonna be adjusted to run for the 2019, and that's what happens. And when I run it, it ran fine. So let's try see if it runs this time again. Oh, there it goes. Okay, start without debugging. This way, enter an integer, 5. 5 is an odd number. Okay, so it works fine. Yes. So and that's pretty much what happens. I hope this video give you guys the information you needed. If you have any comments about my videos, please comment it below so I can, learn from my mistakes, and also improve and all that good stuff. And also have idea for the videos. Like it if you like it, don't like it if you don't like it. But please do comment because I want to make this thing better, improve myself. Okay, and please look at my other videos also. And that's pretty much it. And see you guys next time. Bye.